Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can send money from EBT card to your Cash App. It's very easy thing to do, so let's see how you can do it. First, open your Cash App and log into your account. After logging in, tap on the profile icon from the top right. Then, scroll down and look for linked banks. Just tap on it and then select link debit card. Then EBT card is a debit card, so put your information here, the card number, date, CVV and zip code. If it doesn't work, then tap on no card, then tap on continue. Now search for EBT from the search bar. Now it will show this one. Select provider's card. Now enter your email address and then select continue, and that's it. That's how you can send money from EBT card to your Cash App.